Big brother to the rescue star. Tell you, man. Jaja.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning to you, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Ivy. Good morning, baby Ivy. Say good morning, mommy. No? Oh no, up, off the ground. Off of the ground, please. It's so dusty. No matter how we wipe it, dusty. Come. Up you get, mama. Oh. There you go. Good morning. As Atlas just get out of bed, but look at this other baby I find in here, people. Look at this little baby that I find here. Let me zip up the sheet for you. Come, zip him up. Zip him into the bed. All right.
I saw a stranger in my bed.
As he slept with me last night. Yes, ma'am. We woke everybody up. Ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. All right. So Wayne, I'm gonna run because I'm going to try and go gym early. So you'll take them to school for me?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. See you later. Jackson, come and eat breakfast and get ready. I'm also gonna be doing my hair very early this morning, so that I can get it out of the way. But it has to be done. So I'm gonna do that too. All right, lunch today for the boys are mini pizzas. Yeah, it's mozzarella, some pita bread, and some pizza sauce. And then we literally just pack these up in paper bags and then send it, and then they heat them up if they want at school. And that's it. Easy lunch.
Alright, I'm up now and it's time for us to drop the kids off to school. Time for me to drop the kids off to school. Alright, everybody grab your bags and get in the car. Come on, let's go. Alright, so I have some early morning meetings. Atlas, just listen now, my G. Atlas see Gio get him hairstyle and demanded that him get some kind of style too. So yesterday we fix him up and sort him out. You want to see him. So guys, you heard about the tournament last night? We won. Played the first team tournament, the first pickleball team tournament last night in Jamaica, and guess whose team won? Hello. And it was a clean sweep. Bro me. Alright, come, let's go. Come on, guys. Come, boo boo. Cheese. Oh my goodness. You look like big woman. Yes, Ozzy. Yeah.
It look like there's a
Oh my god, no, you look like big woman. Oh my gosh. I like the throwback hairstyle, like the 80s style.
Guys.
Yeah, early 90s.
Guys, if Tisha was here, I would have still had the hairstyle that I had yesterday.
Alright, so guys, one big drama, one big predicament. Look a while. Alex just called me a while ago. Guess what I'm to Alex right now? Alex is completely locked up on the patio down at the house. He accidentally locked himself in on the patio. Oh my gosh. Hey, look here. Nobody don't laugh after him. And me alone for laugh after him. You know it go? We're human beings. We all make mistakes. So him just called me a little while. My belly hurt me when me hear him voice. I'm glad that it wasn't anything worse than this, because I actually always have the key on me and everything, just in case things like this happen. So I will just run down to him right as soon as the boys exit the car and before I even drop off Ivy. So yeah man, morning man. How you say go?
I tell you, lucky in style.
Freezing now.
Can't believe this.
How you go on?
Wow. Can't believe it.
Big brother to the rescue star.
Tell you man.
Jaja. They say I rush to go to work.
So not even the right key, you know.
What do you mean another right key?
The right key this.
No man, nobody talk no foolish man.
No sir. What am I wrong man?
What's wrong?
We in?
A big history this, you know?
You know another key?
A big history this, you know?
Jesus.
Now the only key them this mommy give me.
Yeah.
No man, but them at least will open there, so bro. Open there, so and go for your key.
That's true.
Come to you man, use your head no man.
That's true.
Okay, that man is a panic, you know? I fret him. Yo, stay woke, bro. Yeah, so we're good. Everything sort out, people. Don't worry, people. Me telling you, don't laugh after him. Me alone for laugh. Alright.
Alright guys, so I'm done and I'm catching the phone right here for 1 second while I do this video. Oh my gosh, just finished up at the gym, got it done, and so I'm on my way now to go and actually get my hair done because I've been putting that off. And I only do my highlights maybe like every 2 months or so. I don't know if as much. And so I'm gonna go to Blow by Blow to get that done now. Wayne has a meeting to get to. We have a lot of things that are overlapping today, and we're just gonna do our best to get everything done. It's a big day happening at the house today because a lot of plumbing stuff is happening today. So that's a big one. Other than that, you know what I always say, let's see what happens today. All right, let's go.
Alright, so I'm ready now. Heading out on the road right now, heading down to my old school. The prestigious, the illustrious Wolmer's Boys School. Heading down there right now. I don't even know why. Oh, Tami not come home yet. I didn't even see her from morning. Talked to her briefly on the phone. Alright, so Momo. I'm gone. I come pick up my little Tubsy. I just got finished. Beep. Just got finished at my old school. And when I say old school, I mean old school is a very old school. 294 years and counting. The oldest school in the English-speaking Caribbean. For those who are in the front of the class, know this already because I've mentioned this on the vlog. I had a very good meeting and I had the opportunity to walk the grounds with Miss Leo, who was my vice principal. She's not retired, but she still spends a lot of her time doing programs, still staying active with the Wolmer's family. She is family. She's been there for like over 40 years. So yeah man, we had a good little walk through. Every time I go down to Wolmer's, I always feel this sense of pride and purpose. It brings me back to the days when I was young and developing and learning. So much of what I know I learned at that institution. So many of the friends and the links that I have right now, current day, is right at Wolmer's, you know, walking those grounds. You know, I saw some of the boys there, saw the different blocks, first farm block. This is when I was like 12, 13, 14. I was walking these same hallways and it was so fun. Before I left, a group of the guys were under the gazebo, started singing Lord I Pray. So that was fun. So yes, Wolmer's. to the principal, Mr. Pennycook, Miss Leo, all of the administrative staff who we sat down with and discussed a lot of stuff. So, what is next on the agenda? I'm heading back home. Tami is still at the hairdresser. Womp, womp, womp.
Okay guys, so I just finally finished my hair, which took so much longer than I expected, but I'm really happy that I got it done. I don't have to think about it for a little while. I also picked up stuff for Atlas's what's it called again, school project, and I am heading back home now because there are other things that have to get done today and it is so late. Thank God for Wayne for holding down like the kids segment of today, but I'm jumping back in now, and yeah, whew, what a day already. Okay guys, I'm finally home, and none of the kids except for Ivy are home. Momo is cooking up a storm. Hi Mosey. Mo, what we're cooking today? What? Some pumpkin. Oh yeah, do some pumpkin rice. Okay, and some kind of fried chicken. Okay. I'm about to head on the road now to get, I think, Ozzy, but I do have a pickup to make. I have some errands to run. Hi everybody. And I need to actually once and for all choose a paint color. So, hi Wayne.
Hi. Finally you come back.
Oh.
Sleep and wake up.
Oh, lucky that you got to sleep. I want to cry, Wayne. Hair salon thing is not for the faint of heart. Trust me.
Here, nice too.
Thank you. Alright, you ready to try and get some stuff done now?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Your shoelaces aren't even done up.
I'm actually scored 1 goal.
You
You
did?
score?
Yeah.
Come sit back and put on your seatbelt, Pops.
Here, 1 goal you score. You never score a bracelet or a trick.
I'm always score a goal. Water bottle done though, Pops.
Yeah man, football day.
This is for you. Hold on to this.
Can you come on the road with me? Eh? You coming on the road with us? Or you want to go home?
Go home.
No man, stay with us.
Or you want to come on the road with us?
Go home.
Hey boy.
You know what I started to do at the gym now? I started to walk.
Walk.
Yeah, like at the end of my workout, like I just jump on a treadmill for like a 20, 30 minutes. Like I'm talking like I did like a 20-minute walk, 30-minute walk to try and get some steps in. Yeah, I like it.
Cool. You know, tell the people about your sister joined me on the cut. In the cut. You were in the cut.
Are the promos out for that now? Yeah, they'll be out by the time this comes out.
Yeah.
Just about, yeah. Well, even if they're not, you heard it first, right here.
It's actually a special Mother's Day episode where, you know, for those who have been following the cut, realize that I have been speaking to men exclusively because, I mean, I just felt like men needed a voice and we needed to reason amongst ourselves, and that was it. But I always wanted to break the ice with women in the barber shop. That was always the intention that we would sort of start that, you know, it's the perfect opportunity for us to introduce women in the barber shop. Yeah, because, you know, from the perspective that women carry their kids to the barber shop a lot.
Yeah.
Women get cuts.
I mean, it's not just about the barbershop. It's about being a part of the conversation. So
Yeah, it's about having different perspectives included and
Yeah.
being inclusive.
yeah, it's the same way how you have had, people who don't even go to a barber in the barbershop too. So it's more about just a discussion. But
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. You guys should check it out. So it's on CVM on Mondays at 8, and then we will upload it sooner than later because I want it to kind of coincide with the Mother's Day. It'll be a little bit after Mother's Day when we upload it, but
and it's always a fun time when the three of us get together.
oh gosh,
And
laugh and talk and
yeah, it was fun.
yeah.
Although I am nervous about being, look at me looking like alfalfa. Little, nervous being the first female guest, and then
No man, it was really good.
That's
and
fine.
who better than Uno? Come on, like you guys are like my go-tos.
Yeah.
Period, you know what I'm saying? So
definitely look out for it. And of course, if you do miss it on CVM, of course, we'll have it for you on this channel at some point as well. So
yeah, boy.
check it out.
Thanks for the plug.
Oh, very
Yeah, go on,
welcome.
good man.
Wayne, you show the people them how you get thing there upon your neck. People, first of all, imagine Wayne have a very suspicious mark on him.
Tami.
Very suspicious,
Tami.
right? And yesterday I see it and I said, Wayne, what is that on your neck? Hearing about say the stink bug bite me. I say,
No,
stop
listen.
chat
I
fat.
was very, very old, like meaning today years old, when I realized that a stink bug can actually cause you harm and pain. People may not know this, but a stink bug, I don't know if it's something it released, the stinkness, or the some. When that land pan, I let it go, watch the whole of my neck.
Well, I saw it yesterday and I was like, Wayne, I don't like how this goes. And this story don't add up about stink bug.
That
Get
mean-
Momo for come look on it. Tisha, me say, what is
Yeah,
my Wayne
no.
neck? Cause this no look. And they were like, no, so that don't look like stink bug, nothing.
No,
So,
seriously.
I'll feel a little way. Then today now, I look at him neck and the whole of right there, so it's like it bust off.
Yo, liquid clean. I
And-
tell you, say there's something poison, me, man.
It really might be a stink bug bite.
Look here, man.
Lucky for you.
Nah, tell him a G, man. Me not selling a song for him, G. You don't know that already.
Whatever. Anyway, if you ever hear about stink bug bite you or burn you, you know it now.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know if I'm me alone. Please tell me. I may not see any comments, but I may see some comments.
And the
there.
stink bug look like the leaf, right?
Yeah,
the
that
stink
when
bug?
them get big, but
Yeah,
them are
but
some
them
little
black one.
Them little
Them.
Tami, you know them.
Yes.
I want some little black thing, and I say, oh, this becomes. I said, where the big green stink bug gonna be used
Yes.
to? Like when they're young, them little and black.
It's
Yes,
true.
a true.
Anyway,
Look what I care.
I'm saying, Wayne, I don't even think it's okay to have that on the back of your car.
It don't make no sense. It
No,
don't
sir,
make
that
no
is
sense.
a whole expletive on the back of somebody's car, right across the windshield. Okay, cool. Anyway, let's do what we gotta do, and then, well, you have Baba, we'll have to go Fontana. Oh my gosh.
We have project people.
40
The
on
parents
another project.
know. Parents know the pain. When them giving a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old some project, it's not them doing it. It's the parents them underneath the pressure for do these things, to get the material, to put the thing them together.
And you know, my mother
yes, you
never do
try
none of
to-
this. My mother never do none of this with me. Your
You
mother
know,
did
say
it with
you're
you.
wicked to
No, you
to
have
Nana though.
No, it's not wicked, Wayne. You have to understand me and
We
Tessie.
mean never do.
Let me explain something. Me and Tessie are baby number 3. I'm sorry, baby number 4 and baby number 5. You see, by our time, mommy just say, look here,
Freestyle.
uno do and I do.
Do uno.
Her thing was this: homework is for children. If you don't understand, you take it to school and you tell your teacher you don't understand. Because
man.
I'm not a teacher. And
Everybody need
no,
a
I
mother
get
like
it.
Nana.
I get it.
Alright, so you say Tami is another milestone this, you know.
What do you mean?
Our big son can carry out, our little son them and we meet them up and yeah,
So
it's levels to the thing.
It's sad.
We're meeting them in the barber shop now. So they just arrived here.
This is what you call sharing the load.
Exactly. Mommy and daddy duties, you know?
Never ending.
Where they going? Man. Ooh.
Oh my god, I'm gone off.
You cut him down low, man. He must serve me long.
Me and Gia ditched the boys and daddy. We're going to the health food store. You ever go to the health food store yet?
I think he took me once.
It's very nice. Come, I love to see what them have to offer. The goodies.
Oh.
Oh.
You sure you don't need a basket?
No, don't.
Yeah, you're running out of hands there.
That's why I don't get a basket.
So what MTM never sees, Tami had to go to the printer today to print off.
Oh, I showed them.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Because
And then we have cartridge paper. We just stop at the pharmacy and buy all kind of thing, ruler, this, that.
it's tired.
But that thing, my G.
Tired, Wayne. And then
Yo.
just tell them the truth that you're going to play pickleball and me if I go to this project. Tell
No
them the
man,
truth.
no man, no.
Yeah,
Tami, don't
tell
say it
them
like
the truth,
that.
God love.
Don't say it like that. Remember, say my pickleball career take off, you know.
Auntie, come let me do it.
Boom,
Can I have a hug?
Huh?
Hug? I don't want
Can
some,
you
no.
turn it back into a robot? Back into a robot.
Yeah, man. See me, I leave. See him there go. No school project, don't do nothing yet.
Tami.
Yeah, man. See him there go.
Tami, remember, say I have all faith in you. And remember, alright, put it this way, Tami. Suppose you heard tomorrow that I was #1 in pickleball in Jamaica. Wouldn't that make you proud?
When that is
I want
nice.
to turn it
But
back into
suppose
a
you hear that
robot.
tomorrow, Atlas don't make him project in time. You that feel away?
Tami, I have full faith in you. I have full confidence.
You know what I don't have faith in? Why you have on white shoes and black socks, Wayne?
Tami,
Dead giveaway.
Tami.
Dead giveaway.
Stop it.
You are not a millennial or Gen Z. This is boomer stuff.
No. It's preference. It is preference. Okay?
Oh gosh.